Notice the WR button is window regulator, driver's door. I'm gonna go manually up and auto up. I'm gonna let go. Manually down, auto down, and let go. So you can see the button is working. However, the problem is so the electric window motor, electrical fault in circuit. It could be a bad motor, it could be wiring, it could be anything really. The window motor has the window control module incorporated in it. So I mean, you can't tell unless you take the door panel out, but the switch is working, so that's good that we didn't order one. Usually it's the switch, but in this case the switch works. I verified it.